Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is specifically for men. As a man, you are battling with low sperm quality and motility, low testosterone, low sex drive, weak immune system, infection. This video is for you. All these things I mentioned contribute to infertility in men. The good news is that nature has a solution for that. You don't need to panic. The ingredients we are going to use, the recipe, are carefully selected and they are readily available in the local market. It's something you can get around you. You don't need to travel, you don't need to order online, you can get it in your local market. And these are what we need. This is fenugreek seed. Our first recipe ingredient is fenugreek seed. This is a tiny seed. Fenugreek is an Indian seed, but you can get it in the local market. Fenugreek seed help with low sperm quality and motility. It helps to improve sex drive in men and also help with low testosterone. Next, I have them here, we need sesame seed. If you can get the black sesame seed, that is perfect. If you can't get it, use the white sesame seed. Sesame seed also contains antioxidants. And we know antioxidants help to reduce stress level in the body and also help to fight free radicals in the body. It also helps to boost the sperm quality. Sesame seed. Yeah. Finally, the third recipe ingredient, is ginger. Ginger contains a molecule that helps to improve sperm quality and motility, reduce stress level in the body, and also help with low testosterone. So these three ingredients are carefully selected and they are natural. Yeah. So let me teach you or show you how you can use it. So you can use this alone. It's a matter of choice. You get a teaspoon of fenugreek seed. You boil it with a cup of water. You boil it for 30 minutes. Then you carry it down from the flame, allow it to sit for some minutes, let it cool to room temperature. You drink it 1 cup every morning for 1 month. You can get your sesame seed. You roast it. You snack on it. Just chew it. Roast it and snack on it. Yes. Or you can equally make a simple ginger tea and you drink. But to make it more potent, we are going to combine these three: fenugreek seed, sesame seed, and ginger for more potent results. To make these three, get a tablespoon of fenugreek seed. You soak it in a cup of water overnight. The next morning, you pour into your cooking pot. You add a teaspoon of sesame seed. Remember, you soak a tablespoon of fenugreek seed in a cup of water overnight. The next morning, you pour the water and the seed in your cooking pot. You add a teaspoon of your sesame seed. This size of ginger is enough. You peel the bark, slice, add it to the pot. Then you add another cup of water so that after boiling, you will get a cup to drink. You boil for 30 minutes. Allow it to cool down. You sieve it. When you sieve it, make sure you get a cup of your tea. You drink it in the morning. Drink it every morning for 1 month. Come back with your testimony. Nature have solution for all infertility. Yes, I love using natural things. It works. They have worked for me. So prepare it that way and come back with testimony. If you have question, if you don't get what I described, you can drop your question on the comment section and I will reply you. Remember, if you're the type that smoke, please stop smoking. Smoking affects fertility. If you drink alcohol, limit your alcohol intake. Very, very important. Eat balanced diet. Food that are high in protein like egg, your meat, your chicken, your liver that are high in protein. Eat nuts and seed, cashew nuts, flaxseed, fenugreek, they are all seed. They are very tiger nuts. They are good for men. Eat fruit like beetroot. They help with erectile dysfunction in men. Watermelon, they correct issues in men. They are very, very good. Banana, cucumber, they help in men, boosting fertility in men. Exercise your body as a man so that blood can circulate around your body. Yes. So please, this brings us to the end of this video. I don't want this video to be long. If you have question, drop it for me. Forget the background noise. Just drop your question for me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and be part of this family. Please subscribe and support me. Check out my other video on fertility, on health, on weight loss and weight gain. I do a lot on this channel. Thank you for supporting me. Bye.